Have you ever spent countless hours trying to enter, organize, and view data only to see it all come crashing down? Didn't you wish you had a simple, quick, and easy way to manage your information or data and keep it robust at the same time? Pixilex's information management tool enables you to do just that. The Pixilex IMS tool has great features. It has an easy-to-use interface. The user interface and navigation is built on top of modern yet minimalistic design principles. It has cool search functionality. It has a single search box and a field-wise search option with filter capabilities. We were inspired by the one-box search that you see in Google and built that back end so that the single search field is enabled. However, both the one-box search and field-wise search have options to search by pattern. It has good reporting features. For example, if you want to find how many of your employees are skilled in, let's say, Java, you can easily find out using the skill reporting feature. It will give you the list of skills and the number of resources mapped against each skill. And when we expand the field, it will list the names of people with that skill. It has a strong database design. The database is based on a temporal design and a normalized design. The temporal features help you remember the history about data, and normalization helps eliminate redundancy. Now, let's go into Pixilex IMS and look at what the tool enables you to do. This is the first screen in the tool. This is the main menu switchboard. As you can see here, we have the application menu, clean data, and exit application. The application menu takes you to the option selection screen. The clean data is a very nice feature in the tool. It goes through all the data in the database and goes through all the rows and removes double spaces, leading, and trailing spaces. That way we will get a clean search, clean pivot, and more importantly, we will get consistent data. From the option selection screen, let me now click on the application menu. We have several options here. We have the tool initialization feature. We have manage data, where we can add, update, browse, and edit employee information. We have the view data errors, where we can view missing information. We have reports, we have search, and we have revenue estimation. The manage data field has features such as manage employee, manage projects, and manage dropdowns. Most organizations use outdated, manual, and extremely tedious ways of managing employee data. Let us now see how simple Pixilex IMS is in doing all those tasks. Now, let me click the Manage Employee option. Once you click that, you will come to the Manage Employee Information page. Let us now go to the basic employee data. You can search for the name of the employee you wish to see. Under Match, select the option Any part of the field to widen your search. You will now see the details of the employee name, David. This is just a dummy data for the demo. You will see various fields in the page. We have date of joining. We have the employee name. We have predefined options, which is Pixilex or partner. You can add any field relevant to your organization. In this case, it is Pixilex. If it is partner and it hasn't been predefined, you can fill the partner information here. We can have other fields as well. Here we have Special Economic Zone or Unit. We have other fields which can be customized based on the requirements of any company. Next, let us see the status option. In this case, the status is active. If you look at the drop-down list here, we have more predefined statuses like contract, intern, notice period, resigned, and placeholders for additional statuses which can be customized. Next, let's click on the Designation tab. The drop-down will have all the predefined designations based on your company structure. We have the other information such as email, phone, emergency contact, location, projects, qualification, etc. We have skills as well. Let us spend some time here and see the skills in detail. We can update multiple skills for an employee here. We have the skill date and skill level. By default, the skill date will place the current date, but we can change that. It is when you acquire the skill. As you can see, we have options for multiple skills. The skill entry field is smart and very intuitive. If you just enter a few letters here, it will automatically show you the skills which start with those letters from the drop-down. Let's enter Java S here, and it auto-populates JavaScript. This helps us enter multiple skills very quickly. As you can see here, we have skill date, skill level, and comments. We have Insert Timestamp, Update Timestamp, and Entered ID. We have these fields for all the tables in the database. We can also store passport, visa information, training, and certification information. We have resignation information, photo, and data errors. The photo hasn't been uploaded here, so you see a default image. But we can upload photos, and the photo upload option is very efficient. Just enter the folder full path and the tool initialization, and enter the name of the picture in the photo table. It could be a JPG or a PNG. This has a good user interface for us to add new data. To add new data, click on Add at the top. Over here, we have many shortcut keys for various tasks. The key is underlined. For example, if we just press Alt-K, from here it will go to the Skills field. As the user keeps using the tool, it gets easier to remember the shortcut keys. Shortcut keys are very helpful for data entry operators where, let's say, some are entering just the skills and some just the locations, etc. On clicking Close, it takes you back to the option selection screen on the main menu. As you can see, we have Manage Data, View Data Errors, Reports, and the Search. Currently, we have entered data for a little over 1,000 employees. Now, let us look at the Reports section. We have several reports here. Let us look at 2 of those reports. Let's click on the Employee Growth table here. The Employee Growth table shows the number of employees joined, the number of employees resigned, and the attrition rate. It gives us year-wise data, and there is an option to expand it to show month-wise data. For example, let's click on 2012. This way we can see the attrition rate for each month for that year. Now, let's look at the skills report. It lists the skills and the number of employees for each skill. For example, if we want to see for Java, we can see that there are 94 employees skilled in Java. If we expand Java, it will give the employees skilled in Java. Here, you can also filter on several fields like location, division, etc. Let's say we want to filter based on location. We go to the field list and click on location and drag and drop it here. Let me filter the location for Hyderabad. It will now show the list of skills for Hyderabad and the number of employees. In this case, in Hyderabad, there are 86 employees skilled in Java. So, this gives us good and quick reports. Likewise, we can filter on several other fields shown here, division name, vertical name, etc. Now, let us look at the search section. We have 2 search options, the easy search and the field-wise search. Let's look at the field-wise search. This has an option to search by pattern. It has the star search feature enabled here. If we search by location and enter HYD star, it will search through the entire data and show me all the employees under location Hyderabad. Similarly, we can search by multiple fields, country, continent, division, etc. Let me close this field search. Let us now look at the easy search. This is the highlighting or prominent feature of the Pixilex IMS tool. We can quickly search for any data in the database. Let us enter Asia and click Search Show Data. It will search the information from the database and show it as a pivot table. This is the data for Asia. So under Asia, we have 16 in Bangalore and 1,319 in Hyderabad, and a total of 1,335. Now, if we expand Bangalore, we get the project names. We have BD, Business Development, Admin, Recruitment, and Sales and Marketing. In our case, Bangalore is all sales and marketing, and Hyderabad is all technology. So this is how we use the easy search option. Let us close this form. We also have a revenue estimation section. We've built the revenue estimation feature, but it is currently not integrated into the tool. Once the integration is done, we will be able to show the revenue estimation feature in detail. We will also be enabling transfer and sync options for both on-demand and scheduled. This could be through CSV and other formats. We are also working on Pixilex Cloud enablement for storage and retrieval. Pixilex IMS can be customized for any fields, not just employees. You could do this for client information, sales information, and much more. It's pretty flexible in that way. If you wish to know more about this tool and how you can purchase it, please email us at david@pixilex.com. You can also visit our website, pixelex.com. Thank you.